Under a previous tutorial, we showed you how to set your user preferences under the preferences pricing multiplier here. However, there are times where you would like to have a different multiplier. What you can do actually, if you open up your line here under line items, you can click on the pref button here. When we click on the pref button, you can actually change your preference for this specific order. So if we wanted to make a gross margin of 45%, you could put that in and save it. So that would be every new line that you create would use this 45%. Now, if you already have your quote and then you want to come back and change it to 45%, what you can actually do is under this line, if you don't see it, it'll probably be like this. You can click on show pricing and it'll show. You can change this to 45. Then you can click on the apply to all and hit update lines. I'll ask you if you want to update your quote preferences changes. You'd probably say yes, because any new lines you want to add, you probably want to apply the same gross margin. So if we say yes here, now basically all your lines will now be updated with a 45% gross margin. If you click on custom, you could see here that the markup is 81.82. Now, unfortunately, there has been some people asking whether you can change from discount to gross margin. Unfortunately, you cannot do that. What I've actually done is created a spreadsheet that will calculate the difference. Our dealer discount here, let's say it's 40%. Our multiplier, customer discount, markup, and gross margin. Basically, you can fill out any of these yellow fields and it'll calculate the rest. So in this case, we had gross margin and a markup available, but if you wanted a customer discount of 20%, let's say, then that comes out to the same thing as a gross margin of 25%. So what you can do is, rather than putting in a new quote to change from discount to markup, you can just use this spreadsheet to calculate what it needs to be, and then rather than to go back and forth and make changes. You can download this on the front. It just says download spreadsheet here, and you just have to download from there.